Have you ever stayed in a hotel abroad and didn't know what to say in English? Don't worry, today I'll teach you 100 English words you'll hear in every hotel. From check-in to breakfast, you'll understand everything and speak confidently. So grab your notebook and let's start learning hotel English fast and easy. Reservation. I have a reservation under the name Smith. Reception. Please check in at the reception. Lobby. Let's wait in the lobby until our room is ready. Room. Your room is on the 3rd floor. Key. Here is your room key. Check-in. What time is check-in? Check-out. Check-out time is at noon. Breakfast. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. Dinner. Dinner is included in your package. Lunch. Lunch is available at the restaurant. Buffet. The hotel offers a buffet breakfast. Elevator. The elevator is next to the reception. Stairs. You can take the stairs to the 2nd floor. Service. The room service is excellent here. Housekeeping. Housekeeping cleans the rooms daily. Towel. Can I get an extra towel, please? Pillow. The pillow is too soft for me. Blanket. It's cold. Could I have another blanket? Bed. The bed is very comfortable. Suite. We stayed in a luxury suite. Single room. I'd like to book a single room. Double room. Do you have a double room available? Deluxe. We reserved a deluxe room with a view. View. The view from our balcony is amazing. Balcony. The balcony overlooks the sea. Bathroom. The bathroom has a large shower. Shower. The shower water isn't hot. Bathtub. Our room has a big bathtub. Sink. The sink is clogged. Mirror. There's a mirror above the sink. TV. The TV doesn't seem to work. Remote. Where is the TV remote control? Air conditioner. The air conditioner is too cold. Heater. The heater isn't working properly. Wi-Fi. What's the Wi-Fi password? Internet. The internet connection is slow. Reception desk. Ask for help at the reception desk. Staff. The hotel staff is very friendly. Manager. I'd like to speak with the manager. Bellboy. The bellboy will carry your bags. Luggage. Please leave your luggage here. Suitcase. My suitcase is too heavy. Guest. Each guest must show an ID. Please show your ID at check-in. Passport. Don't forget to bring your passport. Credit card. You can pay by credit card. Cash. Can I pay in cash? Booking. I made a booking online. Confirmation. Can I see your booking confirmation? Cancel. I'd like to cancel my reservation. Refund. When will I get my refund? Rate. What's the room rate per night? Discount. Do you offer a student discount? Deposit. A deposit is required to confirm the booking. Receipt. Please give me a receipt for my payment. Tip. Do we need to leave a tip? Restaurant. The restaurant is on the first floor. Menu. Can I see the menu, please? Order. I'd like to order some pasta. Drink. What would you like to drink? Coffee. Can I get a cup of coffee? Water. Could I have a bottle of water? Wine. The wine list looks great. Bar. Let's meet at the hotel bar. Swimming pool. The swimming pool is open until 9 p.m. Gym. The gym is on the basement floor. Spa. I booked a massage at the spa. Massage. Would you like a relaxing massage? Sauna. The sauna is next to the pool. Parking. Is there free parking available? Car. The car park is behind the hotel. Taxi. Could you call a taxi for me? Shuttle. The airport shuttle runs every hour. Airport. The airport is only 20 minutes away. City center. It's close to the city center. Map. Could you give me a city map? Tour. We joined a city tour this morning. Guide. Our tour guide was very helpful. Information. Where can I get tourist information? Brochure. There are brochures at the reception. Emergency. In case of emergency, dial 0. Fire. There's a fire exit near the elevator. Alarm. The fire alarm went off at midnight. Safety. Safety is the hotel's top priority. Noise. There's too much noise from the street. Complaint. I'd like to make a complaint. Problem. We have a problem with the shower. Repair. The technician will repair it soon. Maintenance. Maintenance is fixing the lights. Clean. The room is clean and tidy. Dirty. The carpet looks dirty. Comfortable. The bed is really comfortable. Quiet. This floor is very quiet. Busy. The restaurant is busy tonight. Available. Is this room still available? Occupied. The room is occupied right now. Guest house. We stayed in a small guest house. Hostel. A hostel is cheaper than a hotel. Resort. The beach resort was beautiful. Vacation. We had a great vacation at the hotel. Great job! Now you know 100 English words used in hotels. You'll never feel lost when traveling again. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful English lessons every week. Keep learning, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video.